and the rulers even sneered at him. They said,
He saved others. Let him save himself if he is God's Messiah, the chosen one.
The soldiers also came up and mocked him. They offered him wine vinegar and said,
If you are the king of the Jews, then save yourself.
There was a written notice above him which read, "This is the King of the Jews." One of the criminals who hung there hurled insults at him.
Aren't you the Messiah? Save yourself and us!
But the other criminal rebuked him.
Don't you fear God?
He said,
Since you are under the same sentence, we are punished justly, for we are getting what our deeds deserve, but this man has done nothing wrong.
Then he said,
Jesus, remember me when you come into your kingdom.
Jesus answered him,
Truly I tell you, today you will be with me in paradise.